I feel very happy. ENEOS has sponsored the Yamaha team since 2012. Last year's special oil delivered a great contribution to the team in terms of performance. I believe that the special MotoGP racing oil developed by ENEOS led to Yamaha's Triple Crown victory. I also think that ENEOS oil has the highest quality since it is made in Japan and supplied by an oil company representing Japan. I greatly appreciate that, and I'm also very excited about receiving personal support from them.